Dumpster rental service in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. Are you tackling a big cleanup or renovation in Cherry Hill, New Jersey? Let BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated simplify your project with reliable and affordable dumpster rental services. Whether you're clearing out clutter, renovating your home, or managing a construction site, BroCo Waste has the perfect dumpster to fit your needs. We offer a wide range of sizes, from 10-yard dumpsters for small projects to 40-yard containers for large-scale jobs. At BroCo Waste, we pride ourselves on making the rental process hassle-free. With flexible scheduling, fast delivery, and easy pickup, you can focus on your project while we handle the waste. Our team ensures eco-friendly disposal, recycling materials whenever possible to reduce landfill waste. Worried about pricing? We offer transparent, flat-rate pricing with no hidden fees. Our experts are here to help you select the right dumpster size, saving you money and avoiding unnecessary overages. Need same-day service? Call us before noon, and we'll get your dumpster delivered promptly. We serve homeowners, contractors, and businesses throughout Cherry Hill, New Jersey, and surrounding areas. Don't let debris slow you down. Choose BroCo Waste and Recycling Incorporated for dependable, efficient dumpster rentals. Call us today at 856-900-7275 to book your dumpster and keep your project running smoothly.